April is the month of shifts, clarity, and manifestation. The planets are moving, cycles are turning, and the tarot is showing where the opportunities and challenges lie. This reading is for all the zodiac signs, and the messages are meant to guide you whether you're looking for love, career, finances, or personal growth. So pay attention to it, and let's start the reading. Starting off with my fire signs Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, Aries, I'm seeing that April is a month for taking initiative in projects or new ventures. Career opportunities appear through bold action. Don't wait for perfection to start. And I'm also seeing teamwork, collaborating with others are going to bring unexpected rewards for you. I'm also seeing joy and clarity with the Sun card. I'm seeing your relationship strengthening when you communicate openly and properly. Finally, financially, an unexpected source of income or opportunity may present itself. So stay alert, my friend. And if I talk about your personal growth, focus on confidence and leadership, your energy inspires others. Yes, and you never know that. So all the best Aries for month of April. Moving on to my Leos. Leos, what I'm seeing is you have the ability to handle the challenges gracefully this month. Okay. Your voice matters in both work and personal matters. So, yes, express yourself this month. And I'm also seeing that if you are already in a relationship, your emotional connections is going to be deep, very deep in home or in relationship. And if I talk about your career, I'm seeing the visibility. Okay, so take the initiative and work on your visibility at your workplace. Finances may stabilize if you focus on long term planning rather than impulsive choices. Talking about your overall personal growth, balance your boldness, my friend Leos, with patience. Your presence creates impact. Okay? So go to all the networking events wherever possible. Okay, my Sagittarius. Sagittarius, take the decisive action and pursue the long term goals with focus. Upgrade yourself this month. Okay? Important decisions are coming this particular month and you will be able to take because you will be having this clarity in your mind. And yes, new learning, skill development, and seeing with potential financial or career payoff. In love, open communication can lead to breakthroughs, okay? And you can strengthen your bonds through honesty and open communication. If I talk about your finances, a small investment in yourself now may yield significant results in the near future. So, this is a month to upgrade yourself, okay? The skill development part, new learning, and stay adaptable. The journey may have unexpected turns that teach you resilience. Don't worry, that will not be so big, but yes, you will learn something this month. Okay, Sajis? Moving on to my earth signs Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. So, my dear Taurus, I am saying financial stability. I am saying decision making. Okay, you are making decisions this month. I am also seeing that you should be very careful while budgeting, okay? And focus on nurturing your talents and relationship. If I talk about your love life, emotional intimacy will grow with patience. So be patient, okay? I know you are seeking comfort and security in your love life, and it will come with time. So be patient. New income streams I'm seeing or the investments may become available to you. Okay, Taurus. And yes, align your resources with priorities and please strengthen your boundaries this particular month. It will help you, especially at your workplace. Okay, Taurus? All the best. Moving on to Virgos. So, Virgos, I want you to reflect, look inward for clarity this particular month. Okay? Balance the responsibilities and priorities. And don't overextend. Nobody's going to give you that credit, okay? And start new projects. Yeah. Take time to reflect your emotional connections because it is going to strengthen your bond with your partner and organize things, organize your wardrobe. It's been so messy. Okay, Because what will happen, it will really help you out. And efficiency will create space for recognition and advancement at your workplace. Small strategic investments or planning can help you in terms of finances. So trust your process and pace. Clarity comes through mindfulness. So be mindful this month, Virgos, okay? And declutter, okay? So that the creative energy can come. And balance the responsibilities and priorities and look inward for clarity. Okay? All the best, Virgos. Moving on to my Capricorns. Oh my god, Capricorns, I'm seeing long term stability and you are building a strong foundation this month. Amazing, amazing. And you are moving away from that stagnation. Yes, which was necessary. I'm also seeing you will come across some mentors. Okay? Or you will come across some established structures. Yeah. And you will get some kind of guidance from somebody. And you will feel I was seeking this for years now. Okay. Talking about your love and relationship, I am seeing that old patterns may shift positively. I'm seeing stability and commitment uh, are going to be the key this month for your relationship, and they will be rewarded also. About career, I'm seeing some significant results. Amazing. So be patient and have an approach which can bring out the results. Okay, at your workplace, in your career, in your business. Talking about your finances, planning and long term strategy is going to help you, okay, in the long term. And yes, honor the traditions and discipline while staying open to new paths. Okay, Capricorn. So this was your message. Coming to my air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, Gemini, what I'm seeing is emotional exploration and curiosity. And I also want to warn you against the scattered attention because focus only brings real results. And don't scatter your energy in work A, work B, work C. No. Okay, focus is the key for you this month. And yes, your skills and creativity are going to be very, very powerful tool this month. You are acting as a magician this month. Honest communication is very essential if you are in a relationship. And yes, if you are single, new emotional opportunities are arriving. You may meet somebody. Okay. Talking about the career, focused ideas and presentations bring recognition and new possibilities. In terms of finance, I'm seeing creative solutions or side projects may lead to financial gains. So, overall, if I talk about your personal growth, trust your intellect and intuition. Okay, because I can see that you are a multitasker and I am seeing multiple paths, multiple source of incomes coming up. Okay, Gemini, all the best. Moving on to Libra, I am seeing fairness and clarity in decisions. Justice is going to be served in case if you are fighting a legal battle. I'm also seeing new emotional beginnings. Some of you are getting divorced, or some of you are getting finally out of a bad relationship and moving on to a new relationship, or recently had a breakup, something along those lines. I'm seeing love, friendship, personal growth here. You're doing something, or some of you have started your self love journey. Beautiful. And you might be facing some choices requiring balanced judgment. So, yeah, be very aware of this. If I talk about love life, as I already stated earlier, the three different situations, I'm also seeing that open dialogue deepens the connection. If you really want harmony in your relationship, so emotional clarity is the key for this particular month. Coming to your career, Libra, important decisions or partnerships may require to weigh the options very, very carefully. In terms of finances, please be neutral in negotiations and contracts because fairness is going to bring the opportunity. Okay. So, yeah, balance head and heart to create inner peace. This is your message, Libra. All the best. Aquarius. Aquarius, your vision is clear. You know what you want to do. I'm also seeing some swift opportunities, and timing is very, very crucial for you. Okay, if you are expecting communication from somebody from a long, long time, it is coming this particular month. Okay, so yeah, congratulations. And I'm also seeing clear thinking and effective communication. In terms of love, I'm seeing honest and direct conversations will help you and your partner. In terms of career, opportunities may appear suddenly. Be ready to act. I mean, for example, you're not applying for jobs actively, but somebody comes to you and say that, hey, this is an opening at my workplace. Would you like to join? That way. So be ready to act. That's what I'm saying. Okay. In terms of finances, swift, well informed decisions can improve the stability. So, Aquarius, this month, trust your intuition, stay adaptable, and act fast. Otherwise, you will miss the opportunities. All the best. Moving on to my water signs Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So, Cancers, your emotional intuition is going to be on high mode this month. Okay. I know you have been looking out for this fulfillment from the past 2 years, 5 years for some of you. And let me tell you one thing, the emotional satisfaction is about to grow as you align with your values. So that is very important part. Okay. I'm seeing some kind of unexpected support help is coming from others. Yeah. You will not ask for it. Though you need it, but you're not asking for it, but it will come. It may arrive unexpectedly. In terms of love, I'm seeing that emotional honesty is going to strengthen your bond and nurture the connection like we nurture the plants. Okay, so nurture your connection. If you are already in a relationship and the person is genuine, in terms of career, trust your intuition. You know what is going wrong at your workplace, something is going behind your back. Yes, trust your intuition. Okay, and if you're looking for a job, your intuition is guiding you the right opportunities, but you're not, from the past 3 months, you're not trusting it. Okay, so trust your intuition, trust your intuition, trust your intuition in terms of career, in terms of workplace, in terms of business. That's very important, Cancer. And yes, I'm also seeing from the unexpected sources some kind of financial help, or maybe, some kind of help is coming unexpectedly. It can lend you a job or help you in some way or anything. I'm seeing that. So reflect and act from a place of inner clarity. Okay, Cancers, all the best. Moving on to my Scorpios. Wow, Scorpios, you are doing a great job. You are releasing the old habits to create space for new growth. Many congratulations. Scorpio, we have this beautiful card, and I'm seeing financial or career opportunities which are coming from this transformation. You have done some inner work. Yes, you have done. And you know what? Something very worst could have happened, but it did not happen. Yes. Lessons learned protected you. And you know what I'm speaking about. Okay? In terms of love, emotional transformation is going to strengthen your existing relationships or open the new ones. Be open, be ready. Don't hide, Scorpios. If you really want a relationship, you have to show your interest too. Okay, you have to show that you're open. In terms of career, Scorpios, new beginning follow the endings. So yes, accept the change. Okay, some of you are about to change your jobs and moving to a different city, town, country, state, which I'm seeing here. And some of you are also going through some appraisals and you will feel like, oh, I did not get my desired salary hike and now it's time to change. Or some of you are being led off. I'm so sorry for you. But yes, new beginnings follow the endings. In terms of finances, opportunities arise from the past challenges, so stay open, please. Overall, my dear Scorpio, let go of what no longer serves you to fully accept the new paths. Okay? All the best. My dear Pisces, what I'm seeing is you're bringing a balance and moderation in all the areas of life. Yes, be it career, finance, personal life, love, relationship. Amazing. But I'm also seeing that you're not in a good mental health. Rest properly, okay, and recharge yourself to see the bigger picture. Because what you are seeing is just a trailer. Picture abhi baki hai dost. Okay? And trust your inner guidance, trust your dreams. You're getting the dreams also, Pisces. Why you're not trusting on them? Okay. And yes, for some of you, I'm seeing that you are getting a lot of inner guidance. And some of you are already in a spiritual work. Maybe you are chanting, maybe you are meditating, whatever work you are doing, and therefore you are getting some inner guidance, but you are not trusting it. Trust it. Okay. I'm also saying the people who are already in relationship or are committed, reflect on your love life. Try to understand the other person. Okay. Don't always play the blame game. Okay. For those of you who are wrong in a relationship. Okay. Not for all. So take only what resonates because this is a general reading. So it may or may not resonates with everyone out there. Talking about the career, Pisces, strategic pauses allow better decisions and opportunities to arise. Okay. Don't be a giver always. कितने exhaust हो चुके हो आप in terms of career, I'm saying. In terms of finances, thoughtful action is going to pay off. Please avoid impulsive decisions. Please don't invest somewhere just because your friend is investing. Okay? Yeah. So, overall, Pisces, tune into your inner wisdom and spiritual guidance this month. It will definitely going to help. Okay? So, yes, collective, April 2026 is a month of clarity, manifestation, and realignment. And we have seen that for some people, cycles are competing and new beginnings are ready. For some people, opportunities requires focus, balance, and decisive action. For some people, emotional clarity and intuition are as important as practical planning. So step into this month aware, trust your intuition, and ready to act. The shifts are real, the growth is tangible. April 2026 is your month to claim clarity, abundance, and transformation. See you in the next reading. Bye for now.